In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use scroll into view animations in Webflow. Whether you're building a sleek landing page or an interactive portfolio, scroll animations can elevate your design, making it more dynamic and engaging. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to select the element you wish to animate. This could be anything on your page, like a heading, an image, or even a card. Picking the right element is key because the animation will draw attention to it, so consider what information or design element you want to highlight as users scroll through your page. Once you've chosen the element, your next step is to open the Interactions panel. You can find this by clicking on the lightning bolt icon located in the side panel of Webflow. This panel is your gateway to creating animations and interactions, offering a suite of tools to breathe life into your designs. Now, under the Element Triggers section, you'll see an option to +Add Trigger. Click on it. This will allow us to define what kind of interaction we want to set up for the selected element. Since we're focusing on scroll animations, choose the option labeled Scroll into View. This means that the animation will play as soon as the element comes into the user's view while they're scrolling down the page. Moving on, under When Scrolled into View, you'll want to select Start an Animation. This is where the real magic happens, as you can create a new animation tailored for your element. You might choose a fade-in effect, a sliding motion, or even a creative combination of both depending on the mood you want to convey. You're essentially setting the stage for how this element will catch the viewer's eye. It's also important to set an initial state for your animation. This initial state defines how the element looks before the animation starts. For example, if you're creating a fade-in effect, you'll likely want to set the element's opacity to 0 initially. This provides a smooth, seamless transition as the animation kicks off when the element scrolls into view, rather than an abrupt start that could be jarring to the viewer. Once you've defined your animation and initial state, don't forget to preview your page. This is a crucial step as it allows you to see the animation in action and make any necessary adjustments. You can tweak the scroll offset if needed, allowing you to control when exactly the animation will commence. Sometimes, starting the animation a bit earlier or later can create a more impactful experience, depending on the overall flow of your page. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add scroll into view animations in Webflow. By following these steps, you can create animations that not only enhance the visual appeal of your website, but also improve user engagement. Remember, subtlety can often be more effective in animation, so test different effects and fine-tune them to complement your design beautifully. Thank you for watching, and happy animating!